Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Santa Godzilla. So to start off with this, we're just going to be drawing the face. So I want to begin with the eyes, and I want to start right by the eyebrows. So I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to go back like this for one of the eyebrows. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go curve down, and then it's going to curve back up like this. Kind of like a big half circle. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw another line that just kind of goes down and up for another check mark. And I'm going to do the same thing, just make a line that curves down and then up like this. Now, starting right between the eyes and just down a little bit, I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves around like this. Then I'm going to put a little sad face right in between them. And then I'm going to make another line that just kind of curves around, and that's going to be his nose. Now, inside of his nose, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves around like this, and then I'm just going to color the inside. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here for the two nostrils. Now, starting right here, we want to make his cheeks. So I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go down, and then it's going to come down like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just kind of curve up and then come down and around. Then you just want to make a line that's just going to kind of go down, it's going to curve up, and then come back down and connect to this one. Now, I want to add some teeth in here. So, starting right here, I'm just going to make some big V shapes like this, and I want them to be kind of like a little bit different size. And I'm just going to make a few of them just right in here. I'll put one more little one right here. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's just going to kind of curve around and then come back up to here. Then right here we want to add some teeth on the bottom, so I'm just going to make some kind of triangle shapes right in here. Put a couple there, and then I'll put a couple kind of behind these other ones, just a little bit smaller. Then starting here, I'm just going to make a line that just kind of goes right around here for the lip, and it's just going to come right up to here. Now, starting right here by the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up, and then it's going to kind of curve around like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of go up, down, and then kind of curve around. And then I'm just going to take this line, I'm going to go out, and then just kind of connect it into here. And then same thing here, draw a little line out, and then just bring it right into there. Now, we'll go up here at the eyes. I'm going to leave a little space. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then down like this for the eyebrow. And then another one right here that's just going to go up and then down like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes in, and that's just going to connect here to the face. And this one, I'm just going to kind of curve it down. And then I'm going to leave some space, and I want to make a little line that just kind of goes out, and then kind of curves back for an ear. And then I'm going to add one right over here like this for another ear. Now, starting right above here, we want to make the Santa hat. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a kind of bumpy line that goes all the way around here. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to make a nice bumpy line that's just going to kind of go all the way around. We'll go right past the ear and then bring it down to here. Then I'm going to add a little bump in here to connect it, and then a couple little bumps right in between there. Now, starting right down here, I just want to draw a line that's just going to kind of go out and then in for a couple little spikes. And then I might add a couple more of these, kind of all the way around. And then I'm just going to add a couple more on this side. And then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then goes back around to here just to connect it. Now for the hat, what we want to do is I'm going to start here, and you just want to make a line that's just going to go up. And then it's going to kind of come down like this. Draw a little line right here that just goes up, and then another little line there. And then I'm just going to take this line and then just curve it right up to here. And then make some little bumps on it just right around here. Okay, now for some details. Let's start on the pupils of the eye. So I'm going to start right in here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves around like this. And then I'm going to put a smaller one in here. And then you just want to color this in. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Big curved line, another curved line, and then just kind of color in the pupil of the eye. Now, you can always add some extra details in here too. I might add a couple little lines right around the eyes, and then just kind of add a couple little extra lines in here just to make them look a little bit more scaly. I'm going to add a little curved line here, and then another one that goes down and up, just for the inside of his ear. And then I'll just add one little curved line out here. I'm going to add a couple little lines just kind of around his mouth here, and then a little line up here and here. I'm going to add a curved line in here and here, and then a line coming down for his tongue. And then right here you can add a little curved line on each side, and then I'm just going to make some big curved lines on here just to show that he's got kind of like a scaly pattern on his neck. Add maybe a couple more lines over here. Another little line there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Santa Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.